Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parham, one of the editors at Work Truck. This week I ran across a company that I had not heard of before, but actually they've been around for about 3 decades. When I visited their website, I learned they serve multiple industries including commercial shops, garages, law enforcement, motorsports, service trucks, specialty vehicles, and now they offer a lot of upfit products for work fans. CTech Manufacturing, based in Weston, Wisconsin, is already well known for its toolboxes, tool drawers, bolt bins, cabinets, and many other tools of the trade for those who work in the automotive sector. But like I mentioned, they are now taking all that expertise and launching the VanPro line, a new product line designed specifically for commercial work vans, including the Ford Transit, the Ram ProMaster, and the Mercedes Sprinter. VanPro offers a lineup of lightweight aluminum shelving units, parts cabinets, toolboxes, and workbenches, all designed to contour perfectly with wall profiles of popular work van models. Customers can choose from standalone components or fully integrated ready-to-install packages. Plus, these are available in 12 powder coat color options. According to CTech, the VanPro line was designed with tradespeople, fleet managers, and mobile technicians in mind. So let's take a look at what the company said are the main features. Those are form-fit design. VanPro products are built to match the unique wall profile of each van make and model. Lightweight aluminum alloy. These are made from corrosion-resistant, durable, and fuel-efficient materials. Adjustable shelving system. These will already be familiar to van upfitters and customizable to user needs. Motion glide and motion latch drawers. The line features engineered mobile drawer systems built to secure tools and parts. Gasket lock countertops. These provide leak-proof surfaces designed to endure job site abuse. Workbenches with hose storage. There are optional units optimized for fluid service and repair operations. Fully assembled delivery. The VanPro products are manufactured to order and arrive ready to install. VanPro cabinets, bins, and shelving can be purchased on the company's website or through any CTech Manufacturing dealers. While shopping, customers can browse VanPro selections and packages by vehicle model, gear, cargo roof height, cargo length, and other vital attributes to verify product fitment. I also learned that all VanPro solutions will be made in the U.S. at the company's headquarters in Wisconsin. Each customer will receive a solution built especially for them, which is crated and then shipped to their door fully assembled and ready for installation. So, if you're looking for a unique way to organize the interior of your work van, consider checking out CTech Manufacturing. Be sure to come back next week to see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.